Part 2. Let's learn distillation method. Wood oil distillation methods greatly affect aroma quality and output yield. Number 1. Hydrodistillation, water-based distillation, a traditional method where the wood is boiled in water for an extended time. Advantages: produces a richer and more classic aroma, suitable for niche markets, India and Middle East. Disadvantages: lower oil yield, risk of burning if overheated for too long. Value is high if from wildwood with high resin. Yield is low. Number 2. Steam distillation uses hot steam without submerging the wood in water. Faster and cleaner than hydrodistillation. Ideal for commercial factories and modern agarwood plantation. Value medium to high. Yield medium to high. Favored by modern markets, East Asia, Europe niche buyers. Number 3. Supercritical CO2 extraction, modern method. A high-tech method that uses controlled pressure and temperature to extract pure oil. Delivers the cleanest result, no burnt residue or water content. Value highest, used in luxury perfume and medical grade markets. Yield medium but very pure. Costly to operate but produces premium and consistent quality. Follow and repost for part 3.